Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Steven's father was angry that Steven watches too much TV. Steven started watching the TV at 5:25 am and he watched it till 10:05 am. For how long did he watch the TV? Here we have given the starting time, means Steven started watching the TV at 5:25 am and end time is 10:05 am. Now the total time in between 5:25 and 10:05 is 10:05 minus 5:25. Now to calculate this, firstly convert this 10:05, because 5 minus 25 is not possible. So just subtract 1 hour from 10, so it will be 9, and add 60 minutes to 5, that is 65. So now this subtraction can be possible. So 5 minus 5 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So it is 4:40. Hence, Steven watched movie for 4 hours 40 minutes.